Hey everyone, Thomas here, MGMClassicCars.com once again, excuse me, with this beautiful 1968 Dodge Charger. Man, is this thing slick. It's got a nice paint job on the car. It's not obviously a $30,000 paint job, but it's very presentable, driver quality. Does have a few blemishes here and there, but what doesn't at this price, right? 68 Dodge Charger, guys. I don't come across too many of these, but as of today, April 22nd, 2025, I do have another 68 Dodge Charger as well. It's a silver color, numbers matching RT 440 4-speed Dana that's available on our website. But coming back to this orange 68, this is a numbers 383 engine with an automatic transmission and sits really nice on the Magnum 500s and the Cooper Cobra tires. It's got a great look to it, guys. Nice sheet metal, straight car. In my opinion, nice paint job, driver quality, chrome is good, lenses are good, vinyl top is excellent. Just a beautiful car if you're looking for something to drive around, cruise around, and not worry about it getting scratched, because it's not going to be $100,000 plus. It's just a nice driver quality. You don't come across too many of these in the current market. Please check out the photos that we have on our website. I don't think it's going to last long here. If you wanted to turn this into a General Lee, you can if you wanted to. Let's check out the interior really quick. Like I said, beautiful chrome throughout the car, excellent vinyl top, real nice door panels on both sides. They do appear to be original. The door jambs, weather stripping look good. Door sill plates look original. Inner outer jambs look really good, solid. This car is from California and was always in California. Nice black interior. The center console there was just added, just thrown in there, okay? Seat belts in the back, nice package tray, tight headliner with the dome work in there. Stock, it's just a stock car with 67,000 miles. And again, it's just a driver quality, beautiful car with the 383 numbers, original motor in it. As you can see, it's a, hold on, let me clear that up a little bit. Let me make that visible for you guys. How do I do that? There we go. H code, okay? So 383, 727, transmission. It's clean on the inside, very comfy. Just a stock car. Sounds good. There you have it, folks. Now listen, if you need financing, it's not a problem. You will need 10% down of the purchase price of the vehicle. And then on top of that, if you're financing, you can roll in your taxes and your delivery and your title fees and stuff like that right into the loan, okay? So all you need is 10% down. For those of you who just want to wire the money and pay for it and don't need a loan, great, not a problem. You guys call me and text me. Let's make sure the vehicle is available here at MGM. My number is 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, thanks for watching MGM. My name is Thomas.